Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.